Hello everyone, it's really good to see you all. So today we are diving into a topic that is the heart of innovation and collaboration in the tech world. So it's all about the question of what is open source. So let's dive in and find out. So the first question which comes in our mind is that exactly what is open source? In simple terms, it's a collaborative approach to software development that encourages sharing, transparency, and community-driven innovation. Now, what's the key principle behind that? At its core, open source is built on key principles. The source code of a software project is made freely available for anyone to view, use, modify, and distribute. This promotes a culture of transparency and inclusivity. Now, open source thrives on collaboration. Developers from around the world can contribute to a project, enhancing its feature, fixing bugs, and making improvements. This diverse collaboration leads to robust and high-quality software. Now, open source is everywhere, from the Linux operating system to the Mozilla Firefox browser, and even the Android operating system on your smartphones. These are just a few examples of successful open source projects that have shaped the tech landscape. Now, let's talk about the benefits. Open source isn't just about free software. It's about fostering innovation by allowing anyone to contribute. Projects can evolve rapidly, adapt to changing needs, and remain cutting edges. The heart of open source is its vibrant community. Developers, designers, and users come together to share ideas, solve problems, and create something bigger than any individual could achieve alone. It's a true testament to the power of collaboration. Now, one crucial aspect is licensing. Open source projects come with licenses that dedicate how the software can be used, modified, and distributed. Understanding these licenses is key for both contributors and users. So now, feeling inspired, wondering how you can get involved? Well, you don't have to be a coding wizard. You can contribute by reporting bugs, suggesting improvements, or even helping with documentation. Every contribution counts. So now, let's explore various open source programs for hands-on experience. So first in our list is gsoc, Google Summer of Code. So it is an internship program on global scales. Second is gsoc, Girl Script Summer of Code. So it promotes diversity, offering opportunity for all the students and even anyone who wish to contribute in any open source program. Third in our list is Hacktoberfest. It is an October event encouraging GitHub contributions with swag rewards. Now, fourth in our list is Outreachy. So it is an internship supporting underrepresented groups in tech. Now, fifth in our list is Facebook Open Source Mentorship. So it is a guidance and mentorship program in open source contribution. So you can just explore this also. Now, last in our list is Season of Talks. So it is a Google program connecting technical writers with projects for improved documentation. So get involved and enhance your skill in open source community. So there you have it, a glimpse into the world of open source. It's a community-driven force that fuels innovation, collaboration, and the democratization of technology. So this is it for this video. If you like this video, please do like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.